Great day everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I go about making a turmeric tonic. What is a tonic? I'm glad you want to know. A tonic is a medicinal preparation that can improve the body's functioning or increase the feelings of well-being. And y'all should know that I'm all about promoting health. To make this drink, you need a cup of orange juice, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and you're going to add black pepper to activate the cumin inside of the turmeric. This drink is beneficial because it fights off inflammation while building your immune system. Inflammation is one of the main underlying causes of most of the diseases that are produced in our bodies. So, if we can get rid of inflammation, we can get rid of the disease. The key when drinking this is to heat it up. Sweating is the best way to get rid of toxins in our bodies, so drinking this warm will help to break up the mucus and will help to expel the toxins from your body. I pray this information helps you to be a healthier you. Enjoy the rest of your day and healthy living to you. Until next time.